going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So like today's title, we're gonna be doing the wiper blades from a 2015 Kia Sedona all the way up to a 2018 Kia Sedona, maybe a 2019, maybe also a 2019 2020. But I will look that up before I put it in the description. But I'm pretty sure it's for all the vehicles. It's any Kia Sedona that has like the J hook, and today is gonna be the two front shield wiper blades, and then the rear one too. So we're gonna do all three of them. It just it rained last night, so it's time for it to be changed. I think I haven't changed them for like almost a year or maybe two. I don't know. I mean, they still work good, but it's always good to get new wiper blades. So I'll show you guys the wiper blades that I got. Okay, so this one, the 26-inch, this is gonna be for the driver's side, and then the 18-inch, this is for the passenger, and this little itty bitty one, I hope it's the right one, but this is gonna be for the rear one where it says rear blade. So in total for these three wiper blades, I think I paid about, I want to say 40, no, not 40 bucks. I want to say like 35 bucks. I think it was around there. I think it was between 35 to 40. I forgot. But yeah, let's get right into checking out the wiper blades. Alright guys, so each type of brand, each wiper blade, it's gonna have their own different type of style. But for this type, it's simple. It's only a J hook, meaning the hook only goes over. So you literally slide it in, pop it into place, and that's about it. You might need a flathead, but other than that, you really do not need no tools. So let's open this one up. Okay, so hopefully you guys are able to see this, but right in here there's a little tab. So all you're gonna do, so this is literally just a hook. It just goes up and comes down, and there's a tab back here, and you just press it in, and all you're gonna do is slide it down, and it should come undone, but it's harder with, there it goes. It just came undone. Now be careful. I've actually done this working at O'Reilly's. I've actually broken someone's windshield when I was changing out the wiper blades, so please be careful. So this arm does come back and swings back, it will break your it will crack your windshield. Just letting you know that right now. So easily just put it down, and just make sure you get the old one. Make sure it's the right size. It looks like mine is. So it's really not that hard, guys. It looks like this blade is still in good shape, but you know what? For you guys, I'm gonna do it. All right. So that hook literally slides into here, and then all you're gonna do is pull up on it so it snaps into place. So I'm gonna try to do that now. I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod, but it's literally, it's not that hard. Alright, so like I said earlier, you're gonna grab the hook, you're gonna put it in this little hole right here, and then just wrap the hook around this tab, and it's only gonna go in one way. There's nothing special about this. And you just literally, all you're gonna do is just push up. Most of these, they would usually snap into place, but once you have it all the way up, that's it. It's secured. It's not gonna go nowhere. And now it's time to do the passenger side. Alright guys, and like I said, every different brand is gonna have their own different style. Meaning, this top part where it hooks in will have like a little cover into it. these little compartments that will be able to be interchanged. Like you have to switch them out for different styles on depending on the vehicle. But the J hook is, I mean, you could literally just one way. So, and also right here, when you guys buy them, it literally tells you what type of style it is that you could be getting. But for this brand, see, look right, I think right here, this is for the different styles. That if you have a different vehicle and you need to change it out, this little clip right here, then it has that component right there for you. But for the Kia Sedona, we don't need to change anything out. It's already ready. We just got to unhook the old one, hook in the new one, and that's about it. Like I say, guys, so you guys have a different vehicle, you guys have different clips. This brand does provide it with different clips. As you can tell, it's a different clip right here. So I mean, you don't need to, which I'm not going to put it in because we just need the J hook. That's all we need. So same thing for the passenger side. You're gonna feel back here. There should be a clip, a little tab that you'll press it in to release it, and then you're gonna push down on it and it'll come out of place just like that. Easy. And then this one, you're gonna put in this hole, and then you're gonna pull up. So once you have the hook aligned with this little tab right here, then you're gonna just pull it. Like I said, usually they should snap into place, but this one's not gonna. This one's, for some reason, it's not snapping. But I know it's tight and secure, and that's about it. Okay, so you're gonna grab the hook, align it with this tab, and then once you have that hook right there aligned, all you're gonna do is on this blade, you're gonna pull up, and that's it. It should snap, but if it doesn't, it's still tight and secure. I was literally stuck on how to do the rear wiper blade, but so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna pull this up, have it up like that, right? And then with the wiper blade, the arm, you're literally just gonna pull back on it. Literally, I'm just literally just pulling back on it, and there it goes. And you see it right there, it is out of place. It's out of the blade now. So now, let's see, what you're gonna want to do is just slide it out. So once you pull back, just slide out, and then there you go. That just taking out the rear wiper blade. I did have to go look in the owner's manual, so if you guys do have an owner's manual, use that. But hopefully you guys are using this video to learn, because I kind of broke a little tab right here. I don't think it's anything special, but I kind of broke it thinking I had to put a flat head. So okay, so on this video, you do not need a flat head or anything like that to change out your rear wiper blade. Now I just gotta find the new one. Here it is. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is in this hole, slide in this part, then you're gonna push up on it until you hear it snap. Which I didn't do it right. There you go. So once you hear that snap, slide it back down, and there you go. You're all set. But if you do have the original owner's manual for your vehicle, I suggest looking at that, because that's literally what I just looked at to help me replace this. But I hope this video actually helps you guys out too in any way. Last thing, what you're gonna want to do is get in your vehicle. Do I have my keys? Yes, I do. And turn on the wiper blades. Alright, so you're just gonna pull back. And then what you're gonna want to hear for is make sure there's no screeching or anything like that on the arm, on the blade itself, and that's actually working, which mine did a good job. Now for the rear one, yep, the rear one did good. I kind of hate the fact that I don't know, you can probably get a bigger arm. I'm just saying, maybe an arm maybe about that goes all the way up to right here. I don't know what, maybe because this is 12, so get like a 16 or 14-inch arm. That way this kind of gets more of a bigger area. But then looking at that, I think that's where it's gonna get hit. So I don't know, I kind of wish that Kia made a bigger arm just for the whole windshield. But of course you only need this little bit of spot to look at the rear, but whatever. Just saying, Kia, just saying. Alright guys, yeah, so that's gonna be today's video. This is something very simple. I'm probably gonna do a video right now on the roof rack crossbars on the minivan. I got them from Harbor Freight, and let me tell you, it's probably the best thing I bought for this vehicle, especially when we went to Texas. It was the best thing that I bought. I also bought the actual roof rack from Harbor Freight too as well. I probably won't really do a video about that, only because it's just a roof rack, you know. You could literally buy one, but for the price, I paid about 80 bucks for the roof rack, but I'm pretty sure you can find one cheaper, used, whatever. It's just, they do the same thing. But yeah, so yeah, that's gonna end today's video, guys, on doing your front windshield wiper blades and rear windshield wiper blades on a 2015. I want it 2015 all the way for sure, all the way up to 2018. But if it's a J hook, meaning the little hook, it goes all the way up to 2019 and 2020. I will look that up right now. I'll probably type it in somewhere here, but I'm pretty sure it goes all the way up to a 2015 Kia Sedona, all the way up to a 2020 Kia Sedona. But I'll look and I'll type it in right now. But yeah, guys, so if you guys haven't, please follow mine and my wife's podcast that we just recorded it yesterday, no, 2 days ago. So we're probably gonna air it maybe sometime today or tomorrow. I'll put a link in the description today, down below, for the newest video. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to that channel, hit that like button, hit that bell notification for that channel, and subscribe. And it is called Discreet Parents. So, you know, I mean, we talk about our kids. Well, I'm not gonna say on this channel, but if you guys want to listen to it, follow that channel. And like always, guys, subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, hit that bell notification. Leave a comment down below if you guys need more help. But I literally just used my owner's manual that actually helped me out. But if you guys are watching this video, which I hope you guys are, and I hope I kind of go into detail. I hope I kind of show you guys what I was talking about when I was changing out the wiper blades. But if you guys need any help, leave a comment down below. I will try to respond back to you as quick as possible. But yeah, guys, see you guys later. Peace.